Introducing the Lisle 84000, 84100, and 84200 emergency long reach toolkits. These kits include tools needed to get into most vehicles quickly and effectively in a roadside assistant or emergency situation. The Emergency Long Reach Basic Toolkit 84200 includes a paint protector that helps prevent damage to vehicle surfaces, a combination wedge that is inserted between the vehicle's door and frame, creating a gap to insert tools, an abrasive loop to grab and lift the lock button, and a 54-inch two-piece zinc-plated long-reach tool with the plastic tip. The Emergency Long Reach Toolkit 84100 adds a curved wedge and an air wedge to create a larger working gap. Also included is a 7-inch tip that can be used for a shorter 36-inch reach tool. The Emergency Long Reach Master Toolkit 84000 replaces the zinc plating on the long reach tool with a glow-in-the-dark finish for darker vehicles, and a second combination wedge. A bendable button grabber with the wire loop replaces the abrasive loop. The Lisle 84000, 84100, and 84200 emergency long reach toolkits.